There's nothing quite like a hearty bowl of soup on a chilly evening, is there? And when it comes to comfort food, chicken and gnocchi soup is right up there with the best of them. It's creamy, it's chunky, and it's packed with flavor. This soup is a real crowd pleaser, perfect for a family dinner or a cozy night in. Plus, it's surprisingly easy to make. Don't worry, I'll guide you through each step. By the end of this, you'll be dishing up bowls of steaming, delicious soup that will warm you from the inside out. Ready to get cooking? Let's do it. Okay, let's gather our ingredients. Don't worry, nothing too fancy here, just good, honest food. Chicken. 1 pound boneless, skinless chicken thighs cut into 1-inch pieces. Olive oil, 2 tablespoons. Onion, 1 medium chopped. Carrots, 2 medium chopped. Celery, 2 stalks, chopped. Garlic, 4 cloves, minced. Chicken broth, 6 cups. Dried thyme, 1 teaspoon. Salt and pepper to taste. Gnocchi, 1 package, 16 ounces. Heavy cream, 1 cup. Fresh spinach, 4 cups, roughly chopped. Parmesan cheese grated for serving, optional. Let's get cooking. Heat the olive oil in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium heat. Add the chicken pieces and cook until they're nicely browned on all sides. No need to cook them all the way through at this stage. We just want some color. Once the chicken is browned, remove it from the pot and set it aside. Don't worry, it'll join the party again later. Now, let's build some amazing flavor. Add the chopped onion, carrots, and celery to the pot and cook for about 5 to 7 minutes until they start to soften. Then, stir in the minced garlic and cook for another minute until fragrant. That smell. Pour in the chicken broth, thyme, salt, and pepper. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. This allows all those lovely flavors to meld together. Now for the stars of the show, the gnocchi. Add the gnocchi to the pot and give everything a good stir. Increase the heat to medium and cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until the gnocchi are cooked through and float to the top. You'll know they're done when they're nice and plump. Stir in the heavy cream and chopped spinach. Cook for a couple more minutes until the spinach is wilted and the soup is heated through. Finally, add the cooked chicken back into the pot. Give everything a final stir to combine. And there you have it. Ladle the soup into bowls and serve it up with a generous sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese if you like. This soup is pure comfort food, perfect for a cozy night in. And the best part is, it tastes even better the next day. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious and easy recipes.